This is my go-to AR pistol. If I see a coyote or a hog on the tractor, this thing has proven itself worthy. And so has the ammo. Anderson lower, Bear Creek Arsenal upper. Can't get no better than that. Built this for about 270 bucks, maybe 300, with like, I guess little things here and there. But yeah, it can be done. Would I tuck this in my jeans or my sweats and carry it around like that? Probably not with that thing on it, but I have done it once before, so it is definitely doable. If I was to tuck this away, would probably put my laser grip on it, take them sights off. Well, first I would zero the laser, then take the sights off, take that off, put a comp on it, run a 20 round, and yeah, probably put the sling backplate on it and run it like that. For shit hits the floor, this won't be my primary, but it will definitely be a secondary or so, something like that. It'll have a sling with a stock, with green tips or whatever I can find. Hopefully during shit hits the floor I'll be able to come across some better optics or so, but if not, these are work perfectly fine. I'll keep them forever, whatever. And yeah, I'll let y'all know later on and when I get to shoot this thing out, show y'all.